To use the Oculus app on PC, start by downloading and installing the Oculus software from the official Oculus website. Once installed, launch the Oculus app and sign in with your Facebook account or create a new Oculus account. After signing in, you will be prompted to set up your Oculus device. If you have not already done so, to do this, connect your Oculus headset to your PC using a USB cable and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. The Oculus app is divided into several sections, including the store, library, and settings. The store section allows you to browse and purchase new games and experiences, while the library section displays all the content you have already downloaded or purchased. To download or purchase content, navigate to the store section and browse through the available games and experiences. When you find something you like, click on it to view more information, including screenshots, videos, and reviews. If you want to purchase or download the content, click the Buy or Download button. To launch a game or experience, navigate to the library section and click on the title you want to play. The Oculus app will then launch the game or experience, and you can use your Oculus headset to play it. In the Settings section, you can adjust various options, such as graphics quality, audio settings, and tracking options. You can also use this section to update your Oculus software and firmware, as well as to troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. To ensure the best possible experience, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for the Oculus software, and that your Oculus headset is properly calibrated and adjusted. You should also keep your Oculus software and firmware up to date, as new updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of the Oculus app on PC and enjoy a wide range of immersive games and experiences.